How to make boring videos interesting. Let me guess. You have got a great video idea. It's useful, informative, or even important. But there is just one problem. It is boring. The kind of a video people just click and watch for 10 seconds and then they disappear forever. But here's the truth nobody tells you. There is no such thing as a boring topic. Delivery matters. Only boring delivery. In the next 5 to 7 minutes, I am going to show you how to take any boring video and turn it into something people actually want to watch. Something that keeps them hooked till the end. No fancy gear, no acting skills, just storytelling. Let's fix your video. The first thing, most people think the content is boring because of the topic. They are wrong. Your video is boring because there is no curiosity, no emotion, no structure. Think about it. People actually watch 2 hours of documentaries of others they didn't even care about before clicking. Why? Because they were pulled in. So the actual goal is not to change the topic. It is to change how you present it. So point number 2, listen very carefully. If your first 10 seconds of your video is weak, your whole video is dead. So for example, instead of starting like this, "Hi guys, today I am going to talk about," start with a hook. Something like, what makes people think, "Wait, what?" Here are the examples. This is the biggest mistake people make while editing videos. "I wasted 6 months doing this wrong." No one tells you this about making videos. See the difference. It's just a minute difference, but you are creating actual curiosity to your audience. A good hook does one of 3 things. Surprises, challenges a belief, promises value. And your job is make people need to keep watching. And point number 3, most stupid videos are just like lectures. So stop trying to sound smart, start trying to sound real. Instead of, it is important to understand the fundamental principles. Say like, here's the thing, most people mess up. See, simple, natural, relatable. Just imagine you are explaining to your friend, not giving a speech. Also use contractions, add pauses, change your tone. End of the day, your energy equals to engagement. Point number 4, facts don't keep people keep watching your videos. Stories do. Let's say you're teaching something boring like editing. Instead of, use jump cuts to remove pauses. Say like, when I first started editing, my videos are painfully slow. Like, I couldn't even watch them myself. Then I discovered something simple, jump cuts. And everything changed. Now it's a story. You're building your story, right? In stories, make sure to remember these points. Create emotion, build connection, make information memorable. If you're a teacher, so even in your tutorials, add mini stories. And point number 5, if your video looks and sounds the same the whole time, people started boring. But that, you need pattern interrupts. These are the small changes that reset attention. Examples, change camera angles, zoom in slightly, add text on screen, ask a question, use a quick example. Even something as simple as like, "Wait, let me show you something," and boom, attention reset. For every 5 to 10 seconds, give something new to your audience. And point number 6, don't just talk at your audience, talk to them. Ask questions like, "Have you ever felt this? You probably noticed this, right?" This can make feels like a conversation. Also, you can use "you" more than "I." Instead of, "I learned this trick," say, "This trick will save you hours of time." Now it's about them. They will connect to your story. Point number 7, you want people to watch till the end. Then give them a reason to stay. Yes, of course. Why should people have to watch your full video? You have to give them the solid reason, right? Please like what's coming next. Like, and later I'll show you the one trick that changed everything. But the biggest mistake, I'll get to that in a minute. This can create curiosity loop. So the audience brain wants closure, so they will watch till the end. Point number 8, cut the fluff. If a sentence doesn't add value, just remove it. Respect the viewer's time. Fast pacing equals to higher retention. When editing, just ask yourself, would I watch it? If not, cut it. So here's the truth. Making interesting videos is not about being funny or dramatic or talented. It's about hooking audience, talking naturally, using stories, and keeping things dynamic. And you don't need better ideas. You just need better delivery. And start applying even one of these techniques and your videos will instantly feel like more engaging. Of course, if you are serious about improving your content. So don't just watch this, practice it. Because the difference between boring and interesting, it's not about the topic. It's you. See you in the next one. Bye.